Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I transform this wig from this to this. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, definitely keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so you will always see more of my videos. So now let's get right into the tutorial. So first thing first, I'm going to be showing you the hair. This is the hair I'm using. So this is the ear to ear or short bob curly human hair. It's a glueless lace front wing. It's actually a Peruvian wing. So this is how the hair looks like, and it's a 40 inches wing, you guys. So this is how it looks like. It actually comes in with this wing cap, and when you break it out, this is how the hair looks like you guys. This hair is so soft. When I mean soft, I mean it's so soft. So this is how the hair looks like, and it's so full, you guys. Like seriously, I love big head, but that's not what we're going to be doing today. But I love big head, and the lace is neat, and I love everything about this wing. I'm not even going to lie. So yes, so now I'm just putting on my head nets that actually come in with this wing, and it's not my color, you guys. So to make sure I get my color, I'm just going to apply some powder. I wanted to really apply some powder, and I ended up adding some foundation to the powder to kind of make the wing to kind of make the wing suit my color. Like, I don't know how to explain that to you guys. Like, I did not actually bleach this wing. I didn't bleach the lace, and I'm just applying my powder and my foundation, and that's it. So now I just put on the wing, and I'm kind of doing a little plugging. I've already plugged this wing yesterday, and I'm just showing you guys how I plug my hairlines. That's what I'm just doing right here, but I've already plugged this wing to kind of make everything look natural. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just cutting out the lace. As you can see, I'm just trying to be careful so I don't cut it wrong. And I'm just kind of scared now. I'm like, I don't want to cut out my hair. You know what I'm saying? The got to be blasting freeze spray to lay down my wing. Like, you guys, the wing is actually a glueless wing, so me using the freeze spray doesn't mean the wing is not glueless. Like, I'm not using gel, I'm not using glue. This is just a freeze spray, you guys. So I'm just using this is what I'm going to be using to lay down my wing. And you guys, at the end, I actually love how everything turned out. I know you guys are actually going to love it. So I'm using my hair dryer to kind of dry down spray a little to kind of make it more tacky. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. lay down the wing as I'm doing now. As you can see, I didn't actually cut any baby hairs. I didn't wanted to, bring out some baby hairs, but I actually love how the hairlines look. I actually love how the hairlines actually turn out. It just looks natural, just the way I wanted it. Yeah. My hair, just going to tie down my edges to make everything lay flat before moving on to the next step. This makeup look like, you guys, I'm filming 2 videos at a time, like, you have to award me for that. So I just went off camera to film this makeup look, and this is how the wig turned out. Like, you can see everything is laid down. Like, you guys, I love how this wig, I love how the result actually came out, and I'm happy that I was unable to do this. So now you can decide to style the wig as you want. I actually wanted to style this wig like this, but I think that is not going to be today, maybe some other time. Like, this style looks so cute on me, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm taking the olive oil wrap and set mousse, and I'm just going to apply this all over my hair. Like, I'm just trying to bring this wig down. I'm just trying to bring out the curls in the swing. So yes, that's what I'm actually trying to achieve. So I just pray I achieve it, So I'm just going to apply this. I'm just going to keep applying this all over my hair, and yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing right here. Seeing the result already. I'm already seeing the result. Like, can you see that curls? Can you see that curls? Like, that is so pretty. This is what I'm trying to achieve. Like, just compare the 2 sides and you'll see what I'm talking about. This is so pretty. this all over my hair. I'm just going to take my got2b spray and then use it to set my head. I'm just going to spray this all over my head to kind of hold these coils and, you know, just set everything in place. Like, I actually love how these coils turned out. And the funniest thing about this wig is that I didn't even wash this wig. I didn't wash this wig because the wig didn't actually arrive with any smell, so I feel I do not have any reason to wash the wig. So this is what I came up with, and you guys, and I love it. I love how everything turned out. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You know, just go and give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you subscribe, don't forget to click on the notification bell. That's where you will be notified whenever I upload new videos, and you'll come and check your girl out. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that is it for today's video, and I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. And don't forget to always stay beautiful. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I forget, and for this makeup look I actually have the tutorial on the screen right here, so just click that video on the screen to watch this makeup tutorial. Catch you.